Welcome back. This is Ida again with the third workshop of a series of four. And this time you will meet the messengers who've been with you all your life. What messengers? You may ask. Have you noticed that there's a constant chatter in your head? Do you know who are talking? Do you realize that these voices are usually negative or positive? Have you heard any of them say, "You are not good enough, don't do that, don't even start, you didn't succeed last time, why would you succeed this time? You don't have enough money, you can't afford it"? I admit I have more than one voice croaking in my head, and because of them, I used to be worried about future incidents, about future events which never happened. How about you? Do you have experience similar to this? Fortunately, I had wonderful teachers and coaches, and I learned how to tame these powerful self-talks in my head. And I will give you some of the tools which I received from them and I learned from them, and also which I applied and succeeded in calming these voices down. You may ask, why should we do that? I tell you, these voices can drive you mad. They can stop you from doing what you desire, what you really like to do. They can humiliate you and rob you of your self-confidence, self-power, and self-esteem. Just simply, they can kill your dreams. In the second part of the workshop, there's a gemstone for you, a hot technique to find the cloud with silver lining in any negative experience, in any setback. And you will learn how to debrief a situation and turn the situation for your benefit. What I tell you that after this workshop, you will be able to hear your true voice, and hopefully not only hear your true voice, but listen to them or listen to it, and applying or using the new voice, listening to the new voice, you can make decisions and choices that serve you and not other people's goals. And also turn any negative experience positive in order to improve your self-confidence, make you in the end and make you a happier person. And please remember, there's something to learn from every win and every mistake. I hope to see you in the workshop in person. Thank you.